Let me ask you a very honest question. Have you ever gone live on YouTube or thought about going live, and then this voice in your head says, what if nobody shows up? What if you mess it up? And what if your stream looks unprofessional? And then you just cancelled it. Or worse, you never even tried it out. Meanwhile, you watch other creators go live and they get subscribers, watch time, super chat, and visibility, and you are wondering, what are they doing that you are not doing? Here is the truth. YouTube live is one of the fastest ways to grow, even when you have small subscribers. And today, I am going to be showing you exactly how to stream on YouTube, from your setup to going live confidently. Step by step guide. No confusion, no tech overwhelm. So, if you are a creator, business owner, coach, or just starting out, this video can literally change how fast your channel grows. So do me this favor, like the video, subscribe if you want growth without stress, and let's get straight into the video. Now, before I show you how to go live, let me quickly tell you why most creators think that um let them grow first before start going live. It is a backward thinking. Here is what YouTube live will do for you. It will give you longer watch time, stronger connection with your viewers, and YouTube pushes your live stream more than normal videos. You will build trust and people will subscribe while watching you live. And the craziest part is, you do not need fancy camera, you do not need fancy studio or thousands of subscribers to go live. Once you have crossed your 50 watch sorry 50 subscribers, the only thing you need is clarity and consistency. Now, let me show you exactly how to do that. Let us kill the myth first. You do not need expensive equipment. Here are the 3 simple setups you can pick from. Number one is your phone, which almost all small creators have. Your smartphone, your internet, and your YouTube app. That is just it. The second option is your laptop, which includes your webcam, that is your built-in camera, and your microphone or earphone. The option 3 is for professionals, which is a professional setup, which includes your OBS or Streamlab, external mic, and your camera. If you are just starting, which I believe you are just starting, phone is more than enough for you. You do not let perfection to delay your progress. Now, I am going to be digressing or putting more effort in the option 1, which is the beginner friendly, which includes just your smartphone, your internet connection, and your YouTube app. But you can comment below phone or laptop. Let me know what you will be using for your own live streaming. So, for my beginners, let's dive straight into the phone setup. Okay, now to enable live stream on your channel, this step is very, very important. Do not miss any of it. Follow this video step by step so that you will not miss any part that will make you to start complaining at the end. So, YouTube do not allow instant live streaming on new channels. You must do this one thing first before you can be able to go live on YouTube as a new creator. So, I am going to be showing you exactly how to set it up on your YouTube Studio Chrome version. So, let us go straight into our YouTube Studio. Now, when you go into your YouTube Studio, you click on Create, then click on Go Live. But before you do that, you have to first of all go to your settings and make sure that you enable these few things I am going to be sharing with you on the screen. When you go to your settings, you click on channel, then that is still in your YouTube Studio Chrome version. Okay, click on settings, then click on channel, then you will see this option. Make sure it is all approved, all enabled. Once it is all enabled, you are good to go live. But if you violate any YouTube policy, live access can be removed. So always play clean and safe. Okay, once you are done turning on all three options, which can take up to 24 hours before it will be approved by YouTube. Now, what once it is 24 hours and it is approved, once it is 24 hours and it is approved, go and check it. It must have been approved. Then you open your YouTube app, then you tap on plus sign, that is create button. Okay, then the next thing you do is to add your title, your description, and your thumbnail is optional, but it is highly recommended. Do not write boring titles like live streaming tests. Yeah, we all know that this is your first time of going live, but you don't have to make it more obvious than it is. Okay, try to switch in a little bit of professionalism. Instead of writing live streaming tests, instead write, ask me anything about whatever your channel is into. If you are a cooking channel, you can say, ask me anything about vegetable soup or fried rice. If you are a sewing channel, you can say, come make this beautiful gown with me, live stream. Okay, just create something. Your title should promise value. All right, let it be something that someone will watch and get value from. All right. Then you can choose your live stream to be public, unlisted, or private. Once you are going live, you have to select public, which will bring you growth. After that, then you tap on go live, and voila, you are live. It is as simple as that. There is nothing so much about it. Okay. But what you say in your first 30 seconds of your live streaming matters a lot. Some people go live and they keep mute and keep waiting for people to join, that is viewers to join. That is where many people panic. You don't just go live and wait for people to join before you start talking. Here are simple live structure that you can use in your first 2 minutes, okay? Which are introduction. Introduce yourself like, hi, my name is Blessing Crates. Now state what the live is about and tell people what they will gain when they stay till the end of your live stream. For example, in today's live, I'll be teaching you how to cut vegetables. Now, people that are interested in learning how to cut vegetable would want to stay till the end of the video. Something like, hey guys, welcome to the live stream. If you are joining in today, I'm talking about how to make a dress. Okay, it is okay to reintroduce yourself repeatedly. It is quite okay to greet people as they join. It is okay to say what the stream is about repeatedly. You need to understand that people join at different times. So repetition is normal. Teach people, answer question, and tell short stories. Every few minutes, ask them things like, where are you watching from? Um, type yes if this makes sense. Let me know in the chat. Okay. These words or questions triggers engagement. The more people chat, the better your streaming performs. And at the ending part of your live streaming, make sure to summarize your key points, tell them what to do next, and probably promote another video or remind them to subscribe. Let me tell you why your first live stream will probably feel awkward, and that is totally okay. I will have to be real with you. Your first live stream will be not so perfect. Your second won't be either, and that is totally okay. Live streaming is a skill, not a talent. Most creators you admire today talk to themselves at some point, have zero viewers, and they felt awkward. The difference is they kept going, going live consistently. Now, if you want to grow your channel, live streaming is a very powerful tool that you can use. Don't just go live for vibes. After each of your live stream, end the stream properly. Let YouTube save it as replay and optimize the title and description. That that your replay can still get views. Okay, you can also optimize your thumbnail. Now you have to keep going live. Once a week is okay, same day, same time. Consistency builds audience trust. If you have been waiting to feel ready before streaming, let me tell you the truth right now. You will never feel ready before the camera. You have to start by starting. Your confidence will grow on camera, not before the camera. So, after this video, decide your first live topic. Pick a date and time, then go live. Even if it is just for 20 to 30 minutes, do not go lesser on your face. Now, if this video help you, try well to like it. If you want more creator breakdown, subscribe to the channel and comment I am going live so that I will know that you are serious. I'll see you on my next one. See you. Bye.